Gold and silver traded with moderate bearish bias. Yesterday, we have seen gold sliding towards 2560, and silver earlier in the day today has breached the critical support at 3040. Important day, big day today. The Fed's interest rate decision. Everyone definitely is looking forward to a rate cut, and the quantum of rate cut both are going to matter, and then the chairman Powell's speech. So that is going to lay down the foundation for the next forthcoming cuts. Now, what to expect, how to profit trading gold and silver today, we are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. Also, this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. The subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day. Thus, do not miss to watch the next one. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's start first. We look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. If you look at the hourly charts of gold, see after the big rise here, it is seen a good flag formation. It is slided towards 2560, which is indeed a good support, and 2560 2554 zone is something we should watch out for, which is now going to remain the prime support. Now, after hitting the zone, it is now trying to bounce back, and any move beyond 2585 and 2590 is a clear sign of a breakout out of this flag formation. As long as it stays below 2585, 2590 zone, we should not be treating gold as bullish. Remember, I have mentioned in my weekly review, in my daily review this week, that 2585.95 is going to be something which is going to remain a great hurdle for gold. Now, see, after hitting the lows, it is now trying to retrace, and yes, you can see this. This is an accelerated bearish channel after staying sideways. So this might continue here for a while. We have to be careful. If you look at the stock, I think this has dropped. The MACD, after dropping sharp, it has now crossed over and now looking forward to retrace a little. RSI is rising, good sign for the bulls here as well. Coming to 2, likewise on the 2 hour charts, a rise and then a retracement taking the support from the 50 period, now rising. Also look at the move here. The drop was sharper in a single candle, and then now it is retracing slowly. Yes, you can buy if you see it is staying above 2582. That is the point at which you can initiate a buying entry. But then 8586 and 1992, greater resistance exists till then. So if you're buying at 2582, you have to be cautious of these levels. And if you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD has also seen a sharp drop, and now it is trying to converge crossover. I will wait for it to crossover in order to turn bullish. RSI rising after the drop. Coming to 3 hour, look at the 3 hour charts here. See the rise, then a zone of consolidation and retracement, then a bigger rise, and now a slight retracement. I can still see it is not confirming a reversal, it is just retracing. And if you largely if you see the picture here, big picture, you will find till 2554 55 for the day we should not be treating this as bearish. And once it drops below 2550, you can say now the bears are in action. We can look forward to a slide where it can try to come down to the support zone here at 25 30 32, which is going to remain a greater support. While not to forget, after the rise, it is retraced, it is forming a nice flag, and any breakout out of this flag formation is a clear bullish indication. Stochastic rising, MACD has traded bearish, it is trying to converge, not yet crossed over. RSI is still rising, staying slightly bullish. Coming to 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour chart, see prices are trading with divergence. I have shared yesterday that too much of divergence calls for it to converge. What has happened? Prices have converged here, and yes, interestingly, we can see a good support is being seen at the 20 period moving average. Now, with the support at the 20 period, it is trying to bounce back, and thus you have to be cautious, because see, once it breaks out of this flag formation, you can buy here at 2582, but then we have to be careful, cautious alert. 2585 86 1992, greater resistance exists till then. And only selling entry today appears to be below 2570, and even if you are selling at 2570, be watchful at 25 66 65.5, first support zone, 25 60 62, the next support zone. We have seen yesterday gold struggling at around 25 60 62. Once it breaks below 25 60, you can say we can look forward to a greater move on the downside. Stochastic rising, the MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence and bearishness, and see the candle size is diminishing here, suggests that the bearishness is getting diminished. It can try to converge, which means couple of greener candles. A crossover will only confirm a reversal, else what will happen? It will try to converge till the Fed and then continue to diverge on the downside. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. Coming today, now see on the daily charts what has happened. Yesterday we have seen it delivering lower highs and lower lows, and today it is started on a flat note. It is trying to retrace. Again, as I said, till 2585 and 2590, you have to be watchful. What it can try to do, it can try to move towards 2580 and then reverse from this. Yes, a symmetry can be seen here. See the bullishness getting diminished here. You can see the bulls were exhausted here, here. Reversal sign has appeared. First red candle. There is a possibility of a second red. And this time, if gold drops from the current levels, it is going to be a sharper one. We can in fact wait for 25 30 32. If it takes away, we can look forward to 2500 and 2480 itself. Yes, the move can be extremely sharp, but right now it is not suggestive of any such move. You can look forward to the move here, rise retracement. Rise, it could retrace. Largely it is staying in this channel. It has to break below 25 30 32 and 2500 in order to turn or reverse completely. Stochastic overbought here, MACD rising and RSI near to overbought. Now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram, where we trade diverse instruments, including multiple indices from across the globe, be it the US, UK, or Germany, and in commodities including gold, silver, oil, and gas. So yes, multiple opportunity for us to profit throughout the day. Thus, reach out to me for your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. Also, those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and withdrawals, global presence, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now see, first let's talk about the levels to buy. As we have discussed, you can buy here at 25 82 82.5 levels. Expect 85 86 very nearby and very strong resistance. I will say till 25.92, just put a 20 pips trailing, because see 85, 86, 88, 90, 92, greater resistance till then. And if it stays above 25.92, I think this time it can try to hit 2600, 2602 zone, beyond which we can in fact look forward to 2611, 11.5, and then 2618 levels as well. Yes, if it gives you a breakout, it is going to be a tremendously stronger one. On the beyond 2618, we can look forward to 2632 and then 2646 levels. Take your trades according. On the downside, because see, we have seen a good bull run so far, reversal cannot be denied, and thus if you see gold is staying below 25.70, you can take a selling entry 25.67, 64, then 60.62. So till 25.60, we have very good support for gold. Below 25.60, you can look forward to a move towards 25.50, 3.5, 25.53.552. First target zone 25.47, the next 25.40, the third, and then 25.30, 32 will appear. Below 25.30 and 32, we can look forward to a greater crash, which can take the prices towards 25.100 and 24.80 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver now. Silver on the early charts, drop, retracement, drop again. And here also you can see this, it is now forming a new channel here. Drop, retracement, drop, and it could retrace towards what? See, now silver is going to face a stronger hurdle till 30.80 and 31. And if and only if it trades above $31 levels today, you can say this is a breakout out of this flag formation. And once it breaks beyond 31, you can say now the bulls will take over completely. As long as it stays below 31, we have to be cautious here with the buy. If you look at the stochastic here, this has hit the bottom, while the MACD is still trading bearish, and the RSI is also trading with the bearish bias looking downwards. Coming to 2 hour, if you look at the 2 hour charts, drop, retracement, drop again. And yes, you can say that it is trading in this bearish channel. It has to come out of this, which means it has to largely stay above 30.80 levels, which is going to be the prime resistance. In fact, you can buy here at 30.70 itself. When you see the higher price above 30.70, you can initiate a buying entry here and expect it to move towards 30.85, 31. And if it breaks beyond 31, consider this is a reversal. What is happening? See, the bands have started to look downwards. Also, the bands have narrowed. So whatever move it is going to show, it is going to definitely expand the bands. Which direction it is going to expand, that is what we need to wait and watch. Stochastic has dropped, MACD is trading bearish, RSI has dropped here. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, look at the formation here, drops, then sideways movement, higher highs, then a strong reversal, then retracement, then a strong bearish movement. So yes, it is creating a nice bearish channel here, and that also makes 30.80 as a greater resistance and a milestone for it to break past by. Any move beyond which you can see little bullishness prevailing there, and then you can look forward to further rise. Else what is happening here, it is trying to negate the gains from this candle, may come towards 30 or 29.80 zone, and if it breaks 30 and 29.80 zone, I will look forward to a greater move 29.45, and $29 levels cannot be denied here. Yes, possibility exists for this if it continues to slide, and if specifically if it slides below 30 and 29.80, we can say the bears will take over. Stochastic looking down, the MACD has also crossed over, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Again, signs are slightly bearish. Coming to 4-hour chart, look at the 4-hour charts. What has happened? See, divergence of the price from the moving average 20 period. What has happened? I have mentioned yesterday in my update that it may try to converge towards the 20 period. What has happened? It has hit the 20 period and now trying to take the support from it. And this also makes 30-40-30-20 zone as now a critical support for today. So if you see the higher prices below 30-40, you can take a selling entry, but then be alert for 30-20 levels. Till 30-20, I will not be looking forward to further drop. Till 30-20, it can bounce back and bounce back strong. Below 30-20, we can look forward to 30-29.75 levels. This is going to be the next prime support, and any drop below 29.75 is a clear sign of more bearishness towards 29.45, 29.20 levels. Stochastic dropping sharp, MACD crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. RSI is just coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to daily charts. Now see, on the daily chart, see, silver is trading in this channel. Highs, lows, highs, and now the next wave is initiating. Where is the bottom of this wave? Somewhere here at around 28.50, $29 levels, and for the day it is at around 28.20. It may take time for it to move, but as long as now silver stays below 31.20, we should not be treating this as bullish, and once it stays above 31.20, we should not be treating this as bearish. This is also clear. Look at the formation in silver: rise retracement, and now again rising. Yes, it is still looking upwards and it is trading in this bullish channel. So first thing is, we should not be treating this as bearish. Next, if you look at, lower highs are seen here and lower lows are seen. So this is a moderately bearish formation here. Now look at the next candle here. You will find first bearish candle, then a swing, and today it is started on a sell side on a bearish note. And this also makes 30, 80 and $31 levels as a critical milestone, because once it stays above 31, we can look forward to complete reversal. But if you look at the formation here, there is lot much of gap available here and lot much of downside available, specifically for silver. So and yes, starting at the flat note, it is looking down, which is a slight bearish line. So at least for looking at the charts now, at least till 30-80-85, we have to be cautious, though you can buy here at 30-70 levels. When you see the lower higher price above 30-70, initiate a buying entry here and expect it to, or rather I will say, when you see the lower price above 30-70, initiate a buying entry here, expect it to move towards 30-85 and then $31 levels. Then we can look forward to 31.15, 31.20, and if it breaks this zone at 31.15, 31.20, we will look forward to 31.50, 31.80, $32 levels very soon. On the but it appears difficult. It appears that it is going to find it difficult to break beyond 31.20 levels here for the day. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry. When you see the higher prices below 30-40, you can take a selling entry here. Expect it to move towards 30-25, 30-20 levels. Very good support. Below that 30 and then 29.75. Till 29.75, reversal can be expected. Below 29.75, it is not going to come back. We will look forward to a move towards 29.45, 29.20 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Join the free Telegram channel for live and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.